Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a new GPG key on GitHub. This is essential for signing your commits and tags, adding an extra layer of security and verification to your contributions. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile avatar, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your GitHub profile. Now on the settings page, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see a list of options available for customizing your GitHub experience. Scroll through this sidebar until you find SSH and GPG keys, then click on it. This section is specifically designed for managing your authentication keys, allowing you to add and configure both SSH and GPG keys for secure communication with GitHub. Once you're in the SSH and GPG keys section, you'll notice different options for managing your keys. Look for the button labeled New GPG Key and click on it. This button initiates the process of adding a new GPG key to your account, which will enable you to sign your commits and verify your identity. After clicking the button, a form will appear on your screen. The first field you'll encounter is the title field. Here, type a descriptive title for your GPG key. This title should help you identify the key later, especially if you plan to use multiple keys for different purposes or devices. Choose something meaningful that will make sense to you in the future. Next, navigate down to the key field. This is where you'll enter your GPG key information. Paste your GPG key here, making sure you include the complete key block from beginning to end. This key is what GitHub will use to verify your signed commits, so accuracy is crucial at this step. Once you've entered both the title and the key information, look for the button at the bottom of the form that says Add GPG Key. Click this button to finalize the process. GitHub will now associate this GPG key with your account, allowing you to sign commits and tags with this key for verified contributions. And that's it. You've successfully added a new GPG key to your GitHub account, enabling you to sign your work and maintain secure verified contributions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.